Hi friends, hope you are enjoy watching my Lightroom tutorial, which is quite easy to understand, and with the help of it you can learn photo editing on the go. In my last two videos we discussed about crop tool, its basics and how we can improve our composition of an image. In continuation of my last two videos, in this video we will discuss about golden ratio and how we can apply it in our photography. Now, as far as golden ratio is concerned, it is a series of numbers created by Fibonacci to create balanced and visually appealing composition. We can use this rule in two ways in photography, by using golden spiral and phi grid as shown in the diagram. Note that these overlay are not available in your camera, but during post processing you can access it in Lightroom by hitting crop tool tab, and after that you can hit O key on your keyboard. Now, what is golden spiral? It is created by connecting diagonal points of the triangle shown on my screen, and eventually you will get a spiral path. If you keep your main subject on the smallest triangle in the figure, then your eyes will follow the path of the spiral, and in this way your composition will be more compelling. So now you can see my screen in which I am using golden spiral rule in one of my image which I took few years back, though I edited it but never tried this rule on it. So in this image our main subject is boat, and I try to keep this boat on the smallest triangle of golden spiral, and then crop the image so that spiral easily fit into the image. Now this is done. You can also try this technique on any of your image to create appealing image. Initially you can reserve this technique only for objects that either resemble a spiral or having curves. Now comes the phi grid, which look very similar to the rule of third, yet it has one very important difference, that is, instead of dividing the frame into equal third of 1:1:1, the golden ratio is applied to divide the frame into section, that is 1:0.618:1, and this result in a set of intersecting lines that are much closer to the middle of the frame. Now we apply this rule on my clicked image, in which we try to keep horizon in the upper third of the image and other elements either along these lines or on the intersection points to make it visually attractive. So now this is done. Now initially you will find challenge in mastering composition, but with practice you can get mastery in it. My suggestion is to start with the easiest technique, that is rule of third, then move to phi grid and golden spiral. So friends, that's all from now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please share and subscribe this channel, and for more discussion please drop your views in the comment section below.